Welcome to this recording where you're going to listen to insightful moments recorded during live coaching sessions with my clients who come from diverse professional backgrounds. And if you like what you hear today, please share it with your friends and colleagues. And remember to hit the subscribe button now and ensure that you never miss any other episode. Thank you. So people say to me, faking it till I make it is artificial. Now that is because it feels unusual. It doesn't feel like you usually feel, which is uncomfortable, perhaps anxious when we're speaking in public or singing. It doesn't matter. Whatever you're doing, communicating in new ways, presenting in new ways, that feels like you're faking. Now, you're faking it. You feel like you're faking it because you don't usually do presentations in that way, or your voice starts to sound different, or your body language appears to be different. The thing is, you're not faking it. You're accessing another part of you that you don't usually access, which you've probably learned from observing somebody who's really good at it. So somebody you admired, you look at them, and then you try it on and you pretend that you're them. Now, you're not faking because it's still you doing it. So you might get in front of the mirror and you would practice a speech or a song, whatever it is that you're presenting, and you would feel a bit, oh, this doesn't feel usual. However, remember, we're trying to change a pattern that you no longer want. You don't want to feel anxious. You don't want to feel powerless. You don't want to feel small. You want to feel strong. You want to deliver whatever it is that you're delivering, your message, with power and with influence. You want to make sure people are really changed and transformed through what you say, and you can become more effortless and not so self-focused, but focused on others. So we start to introduce new patterns that feel like you're faking it until you become accustomed to it. You become relaxed with it. And then, of course, you'll be able to wear it and speak from that position with more comfort and more ease because it becomes a new pattern. And every pattern from time to time requires a readdressing, which requires you to observe another behavior that you might like, that you're inspired of, and you practice it, and it feels like you're faking again. Right? But this is how we improve, because speaking, public speaking or singing, presentations is a body function, and you feel it. You don't just speak it from your head. You feel it in your body, and the body goes, what is this? This is not you. No, let's do anxiety again. Let's do what we usually do. And you're going, no, we're going to try a new pattern. So there's this negotiation with these feelings that you're feeling, the anxious feelings. You might even say in your private time, in your preparation, you know what? You've served me well, anxiety. You've been warning me about things that I need to change. I hear you, but you need to know I've changed. I'm a big girl now. I'm not little anymore. I'm not having these feelings. They're not actually helping me. So I want to stand up and speak with power and influence. I want to be confident. And so we're going to try this on. We're going to try from now on standing taller, using a deeper voice if I need to. I'm going to use my eyes different. I'm going to use my hands differently. And even if it's not my personality and I'm a little bit introvert and I hate doing that, we need to do this for the work. In order for me to deliver this message, I need to show up this way. I need to be this way. And of course, it'll take energy. It'll feel tiring. You'll go home, you go, oh my goodness, I'm so tired. Because until the muscle becomes developed, it's a muscle memory. Speaking is a muscle memory. Until that becomes developed, you'll feel fake. You'll feel like you're faking. It takes a lot of energy and a lot of intention. So faking it until you make it is your faking. It's not somebody else's faking. It's another version of you. You are coercing yourself to change and create a new pattern, which only feels fake. It is not fake. Thank you for listening to this recording. I hope it has helped you. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time.